Hello, friends. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. My name is Dr. Vinod Sharma, and today I am going to tell you about brain science, and our chapter is Basics of Brain Science. Today, we will be talking about the basics of brain science, that is, some important factors that stimulate or attract your memory. Because brain has two important functions. That one is understanding or realization, and for that brain uses the logical part. And second is memorization, which means placing or keeping the information inside. So there are two things. So for understanding the logical part, our logical intelligence is actually a help. But for memorization, there are some factors by which our brain can memorize faster, better, and permanent. So this is the principle I had already told you in my last class, that is CRISMAS, Christmas. C stands for concentration. Now we will be discussing about this Christmas completely. C stands for concentration. Concentration means keeping the memory near. What is concentration? To be near is concentration. Concentrated liquid means where the atoms and molecules are near. Concentration when your brain and body is near. When your brain and body is at one place, it is called concentration. So concentration, how to train the concentration? Concentration is not in our control. When a child tries to study and any kind of disturbing noise or voice comes in, that time the child gets distracted usually. And child says, I cannot study because of this voice disturbing. As I am making this video, you are listening to some other voices from outside. So they may distract you or disturb you. If if you are not concentrated or focused on the subject. But do you know, the same child, when the child goes to watch his or her favorite TV program, that time the child is concentrated and focused, and even if you go and shout at the child or you yell, child will not tend to even listen to your voice because of the proper 100% concentration. This time, that time, or every time. Whenever we are here, there, or whatever we are doing, inside our brain, inside our mind, we keep thinking, and so many thoughts keep coming, yes or no. So, because of that particular thoughts, or because of many thoughts coming in, or many thoughts we are thinking upon, we cannot put our concentration or drag our concentration at 100%. But when your concentration is 100%, your memory is there. So what derives the concentration to be 100%? And that is very important thing in that example. The child, when the child watches TV program or cartoon, that time the child is concentrated or focused. Not because the child wants to be concentrated or child knows how to concentrate. No, because of the program, because of the content, because of the object, which means if the program, if the content, if the object, if the subject, or whatever you are doing is a part of your interest, your concentration will be higher automatically. That simply says interest is the key steer or the key deriving factor. Interest is the director to catch and hold of the concentration. So, to have a proper concentration, you need to take interest in the subject. It is very difficult to take interest in all subjects. It is not possible. But it is a quality of a teacher or trainer or brain science by which you can convert the subject into interesting. So that is what the concentration, and that is the important factor. You need to learn how to make subjects interesting, how to make study content interesting. For that, you need to look at the other letters of this particular phrase, Christmas. Now the next letter is R. R for ridiculous thinking. Things which are ridiculous in nature, which are different, which are unusual, which are laughterous, which are humorous, which are comic, things which are which are distinguished, which are surprising, those things are able to attract or catch the brain's attention fast. Ridiculous things or brain registers ridiculous better than regular. Suppose you go to any fair or exhibition and you see a person who is 10 feet long. Whenever we talk about that particular fair or exhibition, this 10 feet long person's imagination will automatically pop out. Which means what? Anything which is different. So suppose you have an apple and that apple is actually a monster. An apple, whenever you go to eat apple, that converts into a monster that has teeth, that has tongue, and that apple tends to eat your mouth. This time, this imagination will give you, what do you say? The ridiculous thinking. And now, whenever you talk about apple, this monster apple will automatically pop out. Now it's a permanent memory. If you read laughterous thing, or what do you say, jokes, if you read theory, jokes you read, theory you read, what you memorize fast or what you memorize more? Jokes. What you remember more? Jokes. Why? Both of the things are readable, but because jokes nature is humorous, is laughterous, is ridiculous, that is the reason it remains in the brain for a longer time. Same thing you can do for your proper or particular studies. CRISMAS, Christmas. We have learned so far concentration and ridiculous thinking. In next session, I'll talk about the rest of the letters by which you can keep your memory stronger and you can make your brain power higher. Okay, friends? Till the time, just keep reading, keep studying about brain science. All the best.